Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to create motivational videos for YouTube using free tools, free footage, and powerful storytelling. So step 1, you need to find your message. Every motivational video starts with a core message. You can choose one theme. For example, don't give up, discipline, believe in yourself, or success takes time. Keep it simple, one video, one powerful idea. Next one, write a short script. So you can write a short motivational script. You only need 80 to 120 words for a 1 to 3 minute video. You can use a structure like hint, what people struggle with, hope, encourage them, and last one, push, strong call to action at the end. You can also ask ChatGPT for help to write the script. For example, in here, write me a script for a 1 to 3 minute motivational video about success takes time. Okay, let's say that. You can just hit on enter and ChatGPT will give you the answer. So this one is the opening, build up, emotional hook, motivational pick, and last one, the strong and uplifting or the push that I talked about. And the next one, find the footage and music. So you can download powerful cinematic clips and emotional music from 3 sites like, for example, Pixels, Pixabay, or Mixkit. The motivational videos are 50% visual but 50% music. So pick a strong soundtrack. And next one, you can add voice and edit it in maybe CapCut or Canva. So import your clips into CapCut or Canva, add your scripts as a voiceover, the one that you got from ChatGPT before. And you can record your voice or use AI voice if you are shy. And then sing your clips to the beat and add bold typography like believe, focus, green, or impact. You can also add slow zoom animations, cinematic LUTs, and rising sound effects. And just export it in 1080p or 4K. And now your motivational video is ready for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. And that's how you make motivational videos that inspire and go viral. If you want me to make a full editing tutorial, comment motivation below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.